Click on your profile. Click on Settings. Click on Security and Login. Click on Two-Factor Authentication. Select Security Method. Here I prefer text message method. Add your phone number if haven't any phone number option above. Click on Continue below. Wait for your code and put here when you get the code. It usually takes up to 3 minutes, so keep waiting until finishing the time to get code. I received my code. Now I will put it and will proceed further. Click on Done. Return to your Facebook page. Click on Turn On. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more information and technical videos. Like, comment, and share with your friends.